Hello, how are you today? So I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing a little interior design haul. I haven't done one of these in I think almost a year now. I don't normally do hauls of items I'm doing for a project, but there's just so many for this project that I thought it'd be fun to kind of show you some of them on camera. Not all of them, because I do want this final space to be somewhat of a surprise. Literally, I have Zara, I have Amazon, I have Littlewoods, I have AMARA, I have the Poster Club, I have H&M. There's a bit from everywhere. So without further ado, let's just get into this. So I'm going to start off with the Amazon box. I mean, I'm not just doing that for dramatic effect, it really is heavy. For this project, I got not only one designer book, this is Dior Catwalk, it's beautiful. I also got this Chanel Catwalk book, and I also got the Prada Catwalk book. These are so good. I love the color of the Prada one. It's like this beautiful blue kind of color. It's gorgeous. I do want to apologize for the doop noise downstairs. Dean's doing a workout, and I don't have any other time to film this, so. Okay, so the next one, I mean, I kind of already opened this one yesterday just because I was a bit too excited about it. But how cool is this? This is just like an extra little detail. James McNamara, thank you for shopping with AMARA. Like it's not even like a piece of paper, like it's like so, like it's like a leaflet, like it's so cute, and then it shows you what you purchased on the inside. And it shows you some like kind of other items that you might be interested in. Genius, this is such a good idea. So any brands out there, this is what you should be doing. Get on AMARA's level, because that is just like a nice touch. It has like some nice like tissue paper as well, like in that kind of black marble effect. Really cute. So from AMARA, I also got another book. It's a stone book. This is really cool. I don't know what's in it. It's like pictures of different like really cool buildings made out of stone. I kind of want this myself. But yeah, it's really nice. It's like grey and just very neutral and easy. I also got, for all the books, I got these two bookends. These are gorgeous. They're just like brass bookends. Beautiful. Yeah, I really like these. I just think that like they need like the heaviness or something over in that area where I'm putting these. And that's all I got in AMARA. Like AMARA is like, it's very expensive. So they have like, I only really go to AMARA if there's nowhere else that does something similar for a cheaper price. Obviously, yes, you could probably get bookends a lot cheaper, but I wanted something that's heavy and that's going to be there for, like, it's going to stand the test of time. And I wanted something that was a simple shape, because there's already so much going on in the room. This is Zara. Oh, cute. Oh, these are lovely. Oh, these are the cushions for the bed. Oh, these are beautiful. Wow. Oh, wow, they're gorgeous. Yeah, I really like them. This is gonna look so nice. I can't even deal with how nice this is all going to look. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, interesting. So I'm trying to remember what I actually purchased. So I got this like white cushion. It has like a kind of a cute kind of trimming around the outside of it. I got this one here as well. Nice, lovely, beautiful. And I also got this one here as well. It's like double-sided, which is cool. So I wonder if I'm going to use it. I don't really know yet. I like the little tassels on the end of it. It's really cute. And then I also got cushion fillers as well. To be honest, I don't know how I feel about them now that I see them in the person. I think I need to like see all the cushions together and then make my decision. Like, they do all work together, but I'm not sure about this one. Once it has this filling, I suppose it'll probably look a lot nicer. But I want to open up this one here, the Poster Club. So they don't have a knife. No, I'll open up the Littlewoods one first. This, I know it's the cushion. I want to see what it looks like. Ooh, this is cool. Oh, nice, and it flips up nicely as well. Oh yeah, this one's lovely. Look at this. Look at the detailing on that. That is, oh my god, that is gorgeous. Wow. Okay, let me see it now with these other cushions. I don't remember ordering that one. I don't know if I ordered this one to go with this, which looks lovely. Let me put these fillings in, because honestly, I'm not going to be able to rest until I see it all together. Okay, yeah, like once the filling kind of goes on, it kind of pops up a bit nicer. Okay, Okay, I can relax a bit more now. I'm just not sure of this material, to be honest. Like, these are beautiful together, like gorgeous, like perfect, like they actually go perfectly together. I want to fluff this one up and see, like, does this one kind of go? Yeah, no, actually, never mind. Yeah, okay, never mind. Okay, yeah, it's all gonna look nice. Okay, it's fine. I'm excited. Okay, these are the art prints over the bed. Okay, right. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. This is beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, that's cool. Okay, I love that. Ooh, okay, and I also love this one. Oh, wow. Oh, these are so cool. Definitely recommend. I want to keep these for myself. Oh, these are nice. These are very, very, very nice. Okay, love that. Right, I'm happy with them. Okay, let's see. Zara. Let me open this bitch up and see what's inside. Okay, ooh. I think I know what these are. Okay, I'm excited to see these actually. So, oh wow. That smells fantastic. Let's spray some like I don't know, into it. Oh, this is cute. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Yeah, that's lovely. I love that. Okay, you're gonna keep the wrapper with it, James, because you don't want them to break. Oh, a little clock. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, how pretty is that? Oh, that's fantastic. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Yeah, that's so pretty. I love that. Oh, I know it smells nice. Oh, it's so stupid. There's a candle in here. Oh, duh, James. And they also got like a tray. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. It's beautiful. It's like a marble tray. Ooh. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so I got another book. Yes, I did. It's this Scandi kind of book. Yeah, that's so cool. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I want this. I might get one of these for myself. Oh, beautiful. Oh, wow. There's some gorgeous things in here. I mean, it's slightly on the too rustic side for me, but like really cool like ideas in it. This is something like I definitely recommend any of you, designers out there, anyone getting into design, start collecting these kind of coffee table books, because honestly, they are they're expensive for a book, but they're just really cool, they're so easy to style, like set up a bookshelf or to put on your coffee table, or and this is a vase. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but you know what? It's still beautiful. Like, it's gorgeous. Oh, yeah, it's gorgeous. Oh, yeah. That's so pretty. I'm going to have to get like a printout to go inside here. But it's going to go on the shelf next to... Let me actually see these together. I'm getting too excited putting things away. Yeah, kind of like that. So, am I broke? Oh no, it's not me, you bought it, so I'm fine. But I'm just so excited to share this space with you guys. It's gonna be so nice, when it's done. Seeing everything now in person is just making me so very excited for it, because I know it's gonna look amazing. But yeah, this is kind of behind the scenes. This is what you'll be doing. I don't know if you're either interested in interior design, or you're an interior designer, or you're an aspiring interior designer. Anyone who is an interior designer will know exactly this process. Anyway guys, let me know what your favorite piece was. Are you excited to see this full space come to life? Because I know I am. This is just these are just accessories. Wait till you see what we done with this space. I don't think you're ready. This is probably one of the biggest transformations I've done, and I'm very excited about it. So let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece was, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.